So this is how you will fit your Maxvac Supra 470 onto the Supra 470 H filter. It's a really quick and simple process, and everything you require comes with the H filter. So first you need to pick up your H filter and unscrew the bolt on the top of the H filter. This will release all of the parts that you will need. Now you will get a bolt, you will have 2 washers and an extension. First you need to screw the extension onto your Supra 470 head. You will then take one of your washers and you will place that on top of the extension. Next, you place your H filter into place and you put the second washer on top, and then you screw that into place. This is then ready to go back onto your Supra 470. It will be a slightly tighter fit than before, however everything will clip into place as required.